Hi everybody, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. Today I'm gonna tell you what to do when you have forgotten your lock screen password. So actually, here we do have wait a moment, something called when we enter our password wrong a few times, we do have something like here, forgot password. If you tap it, as you can see, the only thing that you can do is to factory reset your phone. If you don't want to reset your phone, you can easily go to this website vivo.com/en/password to contact their after sales service when you don't want to lose your data. So contact them and they will do their job. But if you don't care about your data, what I do recommend is to do a factory reset. To do so, hold the power button and volume down button until you see the phone goes off. Now replace the volume up with the volume up, and we should see this menu. Click the volume down button and click power button to confirm going into the recovery mode. As the name says, this is the mode to recover our phone from every single error. Now we are here. Here, as you can see, we have something called install software, clear data, check system, enter safe mode, power off and restart. Here, tap clear data. Clear all data, and after a few seconds your OS will be cleared. And actually, that's it. I won't clear my data because I need this phone and the data on it right now, but you just have to do a few clicks and then turn on your phone and do the setup process back again. Of course, you have to remember your password to your Google account that you have added previously to this phone to do the setup process. This is something called Google FRP. This is something that all phones have currently, and you can't. I mean, there are some bypasses, but it's very difficult to find the bypasses for the latest, as you can see, phones, as this one. And yeah, actually that's it. And you have to just enter your email and password to recover the access to your phone. Apart from that, as I said, contact this brand to recover your phone without the data loss, or visit the authorized service center with the proof of ownership. The proof of ownership is the most important thing that you may have, because when you want to unlock the phone without knowing its password, it looks like it was stolen, and it's very difficult to have your phone unlocked when it's stolen. And that's it. Hope it helps you and have a nice day. I hope that now your phone is unlocked and free to go. As I said, that's it. Hope it helps you and have a nice day. Goodbye.